Hello and welcome to our video on how to start a blog. Blogging has become a popular way to share your ideas, opinions, and experiences with the world. And it's never been easier to start your own blog. Step 1. Choose your niche. What do you want to write about? What topics interest you? What are you passionate about? Choosing a niche will help you focus your content and attract a following. Step 2. Choose a platform. There are many blogging platforms to choose from, but some of the most popular include WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so be sure to do your research before making a decision. Step 3. Choose a domain name and hosting. Your domain name is your blog's web address, and your hosting is where your blog will be stored. You can purchase both through your chosen platform or through a separate hosting provider.
Step 4. Design your blog. This is where you can get creative and make your blog look and feel the way you want it to. You can choose from a variety of themes and templates, or you can customize your own. Step 5. Write your first post. This is where the fun begins. Write about something you're passionate about,